Hi guys, Welsh Win here. Today I'm down on Jomtien Beach Road and I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to play 10-pin bowling. And then I'm going to take you to a restaurant on Soi 5, Jomtien, where they have a loyalty card which gives you good discounts on meals. So if you want to play 10-pin bowling, then it's going to be here inside the Jomtien Beach Resort, right on the beach front. They have a bowling alley inside the grounds, so I'm going to go in there with a couple of friends, have a game of 10-pin bowling. We'll see what the prices are and what the facility looks like. Time.
Yeah. That's it there.
So a game here, guys, is 120 baht, and that's for 10 frames. And you also have to have the shoes, which is 40 baht. So 160 baht for a game. Missed?
That missed, yeah. That's better. Right.
So there's 12 lanes. You can get drinks, beer here, and you can also order food which comes from the hotel. That's better.
Again, it's 10 till 7, isn't it?
Yeah, same time.
Oh, they are fucking big table.
It's a proper snooker table, mate.
That is the Mickey.
So I'm on Soi 5 in Jomtien and I'm going to eat here, and a lot of you guys will know this place and you'll probably have the loyalty card. So I'm just going to explain it to new people to Jomtien up there. Now they got these restaurants here, Jomtien, also up in Soi Buakhao and on the dark side. The loyalty card, it costs 300 baht and it lasts for 4 months. Now you only get a discount on the daily specials, which change every day. So today I fancy a nice breakfast because it's a bit early, but I will show you the daily specials, and you can get them all with the loyalty card for 99 baht. So let's say a daily special is 139 or 169, then you'll get every one of them for 99 baht. And there's a good choice every day. So if you're going to eat here quite a few times a week, say you're coming on holiday, it's going to be well worth you getting the loyalty card. So before I finish this vlog, guys, I'm just gonna take a walk up the prayer road and I'm gonna show you a few places and different prices. Okay guys, I hope you found some information from that. Thank you old and new subscribers again for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.